restaurant
Who says it like that? I've never heard that.
Okay. Be real.
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. It's almost there.
Yeah, it's almost there.
It's almost there. I think it just you really hear the separation when Thai people say it, but it's more just like smooth restaurant.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Again, it's like you cut it into three, like Well, how do you say it?
Vegetable.
Oh, it's four.
Yeah, it's
Vegetable.
four.
It should be three.
Yeah,
It should be three.
It should be vegetable.
I think because that's how you say vegetable.
This is too much. Hello, Poopy. Hello. Hello,
Hear him
Apollo.
purring.
Someone want to be in it too, right?
We call him Apollo because he gets up really early and likes to wake everyone else up.
Oi.
Actually he does. He likes to eat our plant, doesn't he?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Apollo, that's not chocolate.
That's not chocolate. That's soil. Get out of there.
Come here, you. I'll get this out.
Yeah. I don't know why he loves this plant so much, man. If you know in the comments, please let us know.
Sandwich.
That was pretty good.
It's actually sandwich.
Yeah, that's it. Sandwich.
Yeah.
It's sandwich.
Deed.
What?
What is deed?
Oh, this. I also hear like this. It's not a duh, it's a the. You have to put your tongue.
Yeah. We forget to pronounce S.
I know, but I'm saying in the beginning is the more important part. You put your tongue underneath your two front teeth and vibrate this.
That is stupid.
That is stupid.
Light.
Is it?
Turn on the light.
Yeah, light. Don't forget the T, otherwise it sounds like you're saying lie. Turn on the lie.
Yeah. Light.
Light. Yeah, be careful not to spit in someone's face. Please.
Cheap.
What?
Cheap.
I thought you said like cheap,
No.
like not expensive, but cheap. Sheep.
Snake.
Snake, just one syllable, not two. It's not snake. Snake.
Snake. Hour.
Oh, this one again. I hate this word. It's like hour, like power. Hour. Not hour.
Beat.
What's that?
Beach.
Oh,
Wow. Let's go to the beach.
Oh,
Let's go to the A.
I thought you were calling me a beach.
No, some people say like beat ไปบีดกัน like they fast and easy so ไปบีดกันอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
Beat.
Yeah, but like, new generation they're more beach
Yeah.
ไป beach กันเถอะแต่คนก็จะด่าว่าตอแหล Yeah when you pronounce right but people will บอกว่าอยู่อะตอแหล because you like beach.
Oh, because you sound good. People.
Yeah,
saying
you.
that, right?
Yeah, that's true, man.
So they take the mick out of people that are like speaking correctly.
They used to grow up like that. Yeah, if you sound good or you sound like better than them, then they call you ตอแหล.
Well, just know that like inside, you're better than them.
Yeah,
No,
of
I'm
course.
joking.
You pronounce it right.
It's just jealousy, isn't it?
Yeah. Netflix and chill ที่บ้านพี่เปล่า
Oh god, definitely not Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill.
If someone says that to me, I'm not. I don't want to Netflix and chill.
What do you want to do then?
I want to stay home by myself.
I'm depressed.
I want to Netflix and.
สเปเบบเงียบได้ไหมเนี่ยพูดเยอะจังเลยสเปไม่ใช่สายเปนะสเป
What are you trying to say? Spain?
Spray.
Spray?
Yeah.
That did okay. I wouldn't have got that one.
Yeah,
Spray.
just forget the R
Spray.
สเปรย์สเปรย์ผม laundry
Oh, here.
ทำไมอะ
Laundry. Laundry. It's just 2, not 3.
Yeah, I can say that too, but I don't want to be ตอแหล laundry you see
Laundry.
everything changed
You're,
the face
You're getting too good now.
the sound everything I always good baby I always
You're not going to need me soon.
I never need you
Oh my god.
oh I'm just kidding pampered
Pampered?
yeah pampered รู้จักไหม
Like pampered?
no pampered for the baby อะ pampered
You pamper a baby? Oh yes, a little bit of blush.
no
A
no
bit of-
no 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 it's a diaper or
Oh, the
called
company. The company.
nappy.
Pampers.
Yeah,
Oh.
Pampers. But in Thai, I don't know, but when I was growing up, everyone's called Pampers.
You said diaper.
Yeah, I say diaper.
Who says
Yeah.
that? Like in the UK, we call them nappies.
But Thai
diaper.
people, we call pampered.
Pampered. All right. So in English, pampered means to like put makeup on kind of thing, or like look after oneself or
like
something like
pamper.
that. Yeah, pamper yourself.
Toast. Honey toast.
Toad.
I love toast.
Oh, toast.
Yes, toast.
Toast.
Toast. Toasted.
Stop spit out of there. Toasted.
Toasted. It's toast.
Toasted. Toast. That's one. Ow.
Oh, I hate this thing. Fog.
Fog. Oh, frogs, right?
Frog.
Ah, I know that one. Yeah, not fog as in like
Yeah.
the weather, but like
Yeah, fog.
frog. Frog.
Frog.
Ribbit.
No, it doesn't sound like that.
No.
สเต็กไก่สเต็กเนื้อสเต็กหมู
What?
เข้าใจปะ
Steak.
สเต็ก
Sounds like satay,
อันนี้สเต็ก
but it's steak, right?
อันนั้นสเต็กอันนี้สเต็ก you see how different สเต็ก
What? Oh man, this is one of those things where like I'm always trying to figure out if you're just messing with me or not. Like with the tones, it's like my. I'm just like
portrait yeah
potty
portrait แหมไม่รู้ได้ไง portrait
portrait.
yeah เอา stop เดี๋ยวนี้เลยนะทำอะไรเนี่ย
Stop. Steak.
stop จะกินโซฟาไม่ได้นะลูก
What was the other one? Snake.
สเต็ก stop
Yeah, these are all the knights of the round table. Snake.
อ๋อเซอร์
Yeah.
There's a song when I growing up ออกสตาร์ท non stop ออกสตาร์ท non stop or something like that
Get out now.
no it's Thai song
Dr. Jones, baby.
ไปไหนก็ไม่รู้อ่ะ make up นี่เสียงดังมาก
Honestly, that's why, like, you don't love my ears, though. One thing about dating a Thai lady, I will say, is that they're very loud. It's like, are you ready to go, babe? Make up!